Welcome to today's video. I started recording the intro yesterday, which was New Year's Eve, so I might like interweave it a little bit because it was super cute. Alpha was a floof. I took Alpha to the snow yesterday for the first time, and he honestly was so tuckered out after. He immediately just went to sleep. Alpha did not celebrate New Year's Eve. He was just like, I'm done, I'm good. And he seems like a changed boy today. He finally went to the snow, and I think it's done something to his spirit that he won't ever forget, and it's really sweet. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your new year. Happy 2021. Today's video I'm hoping will be a little bit helpful, and it's different from what I've had on this channel before, so please let me know in the comments if you like it or what your thoughts are, and that way we can get cooking with some other things. So the video today is all about hair, and I have a lot of it, as you can see. But I wanted to show you how you can touch up your balayage if you have a balayage or even highlights at home that might be grown out. With the restrictions happening again, a lot of hair salons are closed and we kind of are stuck to our own devices. My background is in hair, I'm licensed and certified, so I think I know a little bit that might help you. We're doing an unboxing today thanks to YesStyle, so thank you YesStyle. This is their Dear Klairs cruelty-free kit that they sent to me in Alpha, so I'm excited that while my hair is processing, we'll do an unboxing and we'll have some fun today. So thanks so much for watching, and let's get into it. First thing I did was put a bond protecting spray. This one's by Joico in my hair. You can use Olaplex, you can use Brazilian Bond Builder, whatever you like or you can get your hands on. This essentially is your hair insurance. It's gonna protect your hair, it's gonna protect your color. I've been using this for the last 6 months and have been loving it. My other favorite bond protector is Olaplex, and I use their shampoo, conditioner, and styling products. So I put that in there, and then I zigzag parted 3 sections. So I hope that you can remember the rule of 3 when you're doing a touch-up. We're not reinventing the wheel, we're just adding lightness to match the rest of your hair back to where your rootage or your new growth. Now it's time to mix up your lightener. Next we're gonna apply, I'm going to use my beautiful Coup board. I just got this, I'm obsessed with it. It has teeth at the top here so that it doesn't go to your root, it's protecting everything. So the rule of 3 that I want you to remember from this video, 3 sections, 3 pieces, and everything is on the diagonal. So when you're sectioning your pieces, you're going diagonally up your head, and then when you're painting your lightener on, you're making sure that everything is diagonal. So it's very soft and sun-kissed. That's the kind of name of the game. So I actually have like a bit of hair back here. I might just do like, I might take this out and see what that does, if it feels a little bit lighter. Okay, we're gonna put one in there. There we go, that's better. So I've weaved this piece out. Obviously you can see that's a fair bit left over, which is good. And because it's difficult to see the back, I'm really just going to recommend that you back comb. So I'm doing 1 and I'm doing 2, and that's it. We don't want to do any more than that because we want, the more you back comb, the less close or connected it is to your rootage. So I've got the foil here, I've got that there, I'm pinning it down. If there are pieces of your hair that are light enough and you don't need to lift them, definitely keep those out of the foils. As you get closer to the rootage, you want to brush upward against the grain of your hair. That's going to give a soft effect. So again, the rule of 3. We're taking 3 sections, 3 pieces, and we're going on the diagonal, but for the back, it's too hard to do that. So we're still, again, rule of 3, going for softness. So we're going to go up the hair shaft. What you can also do to ensure softness is to take a dry brush that hasn't been dipped in any of the lightener and just brush it up the hair shaft to give it that nice blend. be sure to wipe the clean brush on a towel to remove any lightener so that when you're brushing up the hair shaft for each foil, it's very clean and you get that blended look right at the top of your foil. Definitely don't try to rush this process. It is going to take some time, but the payoff is certainly going to be worth it. As you're working up your head, just be sure to saturate in your foils. You want to make sure every hair is covered. So if that means you're brushing for a while, that's okay. Try to keep it as clean as possible as well. Shout out to my hairstylist, the ultimate hairstylist, Alicia Walker of @LittleEfforts on Instagram. I usually see her for my hair, but she's in Switzerland right now. Miss you, girl. Can't wait to see you, and hopefully you're proud of my hair work. Doing a touch-up can be scary, but since the quarantine happened, a lot of people have taken their hair into their own hands, and I've seen a lot of really great videos where people have been successful. So, just try to remember that you take it a piece at a time. Don't go too crazy. A little goes a long way, and as long as you're doing a partial, like half of your head and you're touching it up, it's better to do that and maybe make a mistake instead of doing a whole transformation on your head and making a big mistake where then you're going to have to for sure get it fixed by someone, and that's going to cost a lot more than, say, a couple of foils or a foil that didn't lift the right way than an entire head that is splotchy or is not what you envisioned. But I believe in you. You can do it, and give it a try for yourself. Remember, it's just feather and be very light-handed. You can also grab pieces around your face and just make face framing highlights if you're more comfortable with that. Just grab the pieces, weave them out, and freehand paint them. If you can get your hands on one of these coup boards, it also really helps, again, because of the teeth at the top. You can order one of these on Amazon. Now that this hair is about done, it's time for an unboxing! Yay! These goodies were gifted to Alpha and I from Yes Style and Dear Klairs. This is their cruelty-free gift set that includes a poop bag, Dear Klairs SPF 50, a drink bag that covers a reusable water bottle, makes it easier to hold, as well as a cute little napkin / bandana with the Dear Klairs cruelty-free logo. So thanks to Yes Style and Dear Klairs for sending Alpha and I their cruelty-free SPF and pet accessories. They're super cute, and I can't wait to use the little drink bag and poop bag for Alpha. And right now we're just waiting. I put a pop-up on my foils because I wanted them to lift evenly and quickly. My hair tends to not want to lift very nicely. I have naturally dark hair, so dark hair gals, you probably relate to that, especially too if you've colored your hair a lot in the past. Sometimes your hair has a little bit of an attitude and doesn't want to lift, so this pop-up should be good. I'm just gonna pull all the foils out and take a rinse. Right, so I just showered. I washed it twice with Olaplex, and now I'm just going to comb it out. No product at this point because we still have to tone and then do the Joico mask. So yeah, we're just gonna comb it out really gently and then put the toner on. For product, I used Kenra Professional Blue Violet Lightener with 30 volume and 20 volume developer. I started with 30 volume developer at the back and ended with 20 volume developer at the front. For toner, I experimented with Wella Blondor toner for the first time. I usually use a brush and bowl for my toners, especially on clients. However, it is a little bit easier to maneuver when you have your applicator bottle and a wet brush or wide tooth comb at home. You don't want to stress yourself out even more. Just like with the lightener, be sure to saturate, get all of the toner on all of the hair that you lifted. I can't talk right now. I'm doing hot girl. Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. So there you have it, the finished result. I am loving it. This is what it looks like with my fringe kind of worn how I normally style it these days. I hope you really liked this video. Thanks so much for watching. Happy New Year. Hope a lot of your dreams and wishes come true, and make sure to comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see next and what you thought of this. Take care. Bye.